Maggie here. So this week we are doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. I have my bag of marshmallows and a bowl. I was gonna do this challenge with a friend, but they couldn't come over, so I'm just gonna do this by myself. I have no clue on how to do this, and I've never done this before. So, good luck to me. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Can't do anymore. Step 5. Don't know if that's good or not, but yeah. I don't really like marshmallows.